Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chuck. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are doing well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chuck, VIP. You can also check out Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Sorry, that was quite loud. If you want to see any other posts. I am just checking out my live here. Just want to make sure that everything is going well. Why am I? Okay, there we go. So yes, when you're jumping on, let me know where you're coming in from. We are going to unbox two of my latest deliveries. One came yesterday and one came today. Unfortunately, the first one didn't come before 5:30 yesterday, so I just decided I would do it all in one. The first one is going to be all of our new paste. I'm going to go one by one. This one is our Shimmer Harvest. Oh, what's inside right? Shimmer Harvest. Our second one is Shimmer Crimson. All our shimmers have little specks of sparkle in them to give them their shine. That's why I love these. We have Tide. This is not one of our speckles, but still love the color. And I haven't had that color yet. Actually, I don't think I've had any of these colors yet. I think that's why I grabbed them. This is Marvelous. Okay, maybe I've had this. No, I don't even know if I've had this one. It's just a light pink. I have another pink. Well, it's kind of a purpley pink. And it is Berry. We have a darker purple, which is our Currant Jam. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Hey, Sam. How are you, honey? Hey, Currant Jam. That on there looks quite red compared to what it is on here, or at least in my brain. It's super purple. Then we have Wisteria. Oh, I got that one right without even looking. Which is a pale purple. Our Sunset Drive, which is a pale pink. Pinky, I almost want to call it almost a pinky orange. And then, last but not least, we have our Shimmer Olive. If you watch this back on the replay, or if you liked any certain color on there, let me know in the comments which one you liked the most. I'm doing well, honey. How are you? So that those. I'm gonna have to try and figure out how to pick these up and not drop them. Ooh. There's no middle part on that one. Thank you, honey. All right. Oh, and I said not dropping them, and wow, that worked out. Polly, do you know where the knife is or whatever that we said we were using? Oh, you stuck it. Okay. All right, so now we're going to go through all of our new surfaces. This one is our double-sided box frame 5x7s. Got a little tongue-tied there for a second. But I like these. These are really super cute. So you have the white side So you could do it this way or this way. And then you have the brown side, depending on which one you want. And we have, let's see. Oh, another one of the same. I won't show you that one. I won't waste the time. Because they're the same thing. Then we have the Couture Boutique Bistro Spinning Sign. I did this one for a friend of mine that had the witches in, witches out back in October for Halloween. And I really like this. I think it's super cute. And it's tiny, so it can sit on pretty much any surface. It looks bigger than it is. It's not big. It's tall, but it's not big. Sitting. So that is the spinning frame, bistro frame. And you can do both sides. Sorry, I should actually show. You can actually do both sides. That's why you can spin it. Huh? I probably should, but I ended up dropping it. Oh, okay. I know. Unfortunately, I dropped it. Oh, one other paste that came in the box, other than with the others, is our Shimmer Orchid. It is like one of the darker purples. It's still coming off pink on the thing. It's so weird. It's actually super dark. I'm scared. You sure? Okay. I'm not sure if my husband can catch them. This one is our double-sided box frame, and it's the 9x12. So I can show you that. It's a same as the other one, it's just bigger. All of our transfers come in different sizes, so if you get bigger transfers, you need the bigger surfaces. These ones are perfect. Sorry, I'm not looking at the comments right now. I will in a minute. Go through this one and then I'll look again. That's the only thing with unboxing when I'm looking at this camera is I can't actually see what you're doing, what you're talking about. All right, so there's the box. So again, there's the brown and there's the white side. I think this is the same as that one. Yeah, that's a 9x12 as well, so that's the same thing. I got the little birdies because I think I got the birdie transfer already, and I think I forgot the actual birds. So I got those. They're really super cute and small, and then they have little feathers on them and everything that you can paste. I also got the board and base, and it's got the darker wood. One last surface. Then we have a couple of new transfers that I got. Yeah, I'm supposed to look over here. Ah. Oh, no, Sam's message was the last one I got. Go. And this is the board and pillar stand, which we have used before. What are you trying to... just because I don't have to anything I can. So again, there's the pillar stand. Oh, this one's got a screw. Oh, that one's fine and dandy. The one had the twist knob. The other one had a peg. And this one's literally got a screw in it. I've gotten all different kinds. That's really funny. No, I don't think it's the same. This one's literally a screw. Really? Come out. And then there's the actual surface to put it on. Let me know what surface you like the most. Oh, that is cute. So they actually sent me a replacement screw for it. No, I just randomly saw like a package and I was like, what is that? It made no sense. Oh. Oh, should I? Oh, hey there. See this little screw here? It's for your couture boutique board and pillar stand. A manufacturer accidentally produced a batch of screws. If that's the case with your screw inside the packaging, it won't fit in the thread space that holds the frame in place on the stand. So if your original screw is painted, here's a replacement, and if your screw isn't painted, you get a double. Happy chalking. That's cute. All right, so here we have a couple of different paste packets. You can get individual paste packets, or they come in 6s, I believe, of all different kinds of colors. So there's a bright white, a black velvet, a ocean mist, and a caramel apple, which is actually my favorite. Because if anybody knows me, knows I love red. You can try to squeeze those back in if you would like. If not, just put them in a box. I'm not even going to try. Oh, so this is a cute one. I'm always disappointed when a liar's pants don't actually catch on fire. I really want to put this on a t-shirt. I'm sorry, but I really, really do. I think that'd be the funniest thing. And then on our bistro stand, this is why I got it. So it says, clean. We aren't going to put ourselves away. Or dirty. Please just wash us already. I think it's so cute. Put it on your counter, or or on your dishwasher if you have one. I don't have one. We are our dishwashers, but you could do that. Ooh, and now we got our other reveal that I didn't realize was going to come in this. Dun dun dun! Our Club Couture. All right, who's ready for this? I actually won this. It's fun when I actually don't know what it is that I'm getting, and I find it with you guys. I should keep up with this, but I never do. Oh, 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 this is so cute. Oh, it's going to be a super easy one to do, though. So it says, the berry sweet days of summer. And it's strawberries. It's so cute. I love it. Oh, this might need to be our next project. Anybody agree? If you do, put it down below. Because I'm excited, actually. Although, part of it might be complicated because you'd want to put the top of the strawberries in green, but that's actually a smart idea. Too bad my husband doesn't speak loud enough. But he said hot mess it. That would be fun. Alright, so that is all I have for you today. I hope that our AC hasn't bothered the sound. I will talk to you guys soon because I'm excited to do that. So that has to happen soon. I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.